Okay, hi everyone, this is Adele Hoopling. In this video, I'm going to show you a great way to not only make some money week to week, instant every day, but also travel, make great discounts, and just packages as vacation getaways. So this is called Elite Travel Club, and it might seem familiar because it is essentially a movement from Devant Travels. Um, and what happened with Devant Travels was the owner got really sick and things weren't kind of moving properly. So some people have just took it over and moved it into this different company. So it's not the same company, but it's working very similar to that Devant Travels. So this is the website. You will have to purchase one of these when you sign up. So that's the only extra fee that you have. But it's a really, really great website. I really like it. Very different from the other one. So there's a quick video, goes into very details of what's going to happen. So you receive 12 vacation getaways per year, $1,000 VIP card, lots and lots of discounts. I've gone through most of it. So you'll just click here, become a member. It'll take you to PayPal. You'll pay $47. $40 goes to commission. $7 goes to the admin, the company. So you can receive $40 commissions every time you make a sale, and it's instant to PayPal. So that's really great. If you're watching this from November up until November 23rd, 2018, then we're doing a promo for Black Friday. You can get it only for $30. Okay, so I would definitely jump on that. This is worth way more than that. This is worth hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So careers, earn $700 plus per week, pays every day. Shopping card, discounts on hotels and airfare, the getaways. It's just a lot of really good stuff. So down here we have some of the vacation packages you can check out. So like the 2-night Bahama cruise, and it goes into detail of what you have to do. So just like if you won a vacation through some sort of contest or something, you would have to pay taxes on that. Like if you win a car, you still have to pay the taxes on the car. So that's how like things work right now. Like you don't just get anything for free. So it's the same thing of how these work. So we can give you the vacation, but you do have to pay the taxes on it. So for instance, the Bahama cruise, you have to redeem the certificate. Most of them are about $15, $15.95 to redeem the certificate. Then you can use it. You have a whole year to book your getaway. So for this one, it is $60 per person. I think then there's some port fees. Maybe not this one. So $60 a person for a 2-night Bahama cruise. So that's pretty good. This is my favorite one here. Airfare and hotel vacation. This is $200 a person, and it includes airfare, hotel for 3 days and 2 nights. So that's a great deal right there. And it's a $50 processing fee. So that's 23 major U.S. cities as well. So like I'm planning on going to Miami for $200 a person next year. Very exciting. 7-night resort condo. So this is a whole week spent at this international. So it's 3,500 locations you can go to. It's incredible. So that you pay the $50 to redeem. Activation only costs $400 for the week. So you're basically paying $400 to go. Oh, this is the Caribbean, and then we also have international. Maybe it's not listed. You can go to any of these 3,500 resort location resorts. All right, there's lots of other, dining certificates, things like that. So that's the gist of the company. Now, if you're wondering how this is possible, how they do this, and how legit this is, you can go to this website, Creative Marketing Incentives. These are the people who actually deliver the vacation certificates, and this company's been running for over 12 years, so it's completely legit. You can go in here, you can look at all the certificates that they give. They actually have their own marketing company where you actually could be a member here and give out certificates for incentives for people to join your business. So that's how this kind of like got started, but someone took that idea and created Devant and Elite Travels with this idea, okay? So that's kind of how it works. So I'll have the link to this site below so you can go check it out and just see how like these certificates actually are real. You can use them. It's very exciting. So to join, like I said, just click become member. Um, you'll pay if you're within the November Black Friday week, you'll pay $30. If other than that, you'll pay 47. And then you will get your website set up. You'll pay for that. You'll set it up. You'll make a PayPal button so it goes straight to your PayPal, and you can get those $40 commissions. As far as promotion, you can do this many different ways. Um, Facebook, Instagram, all the normal marketing tactics. Craigslist is a good one. Um, but what's really cool about this and what I'm excited to do once I can start traveling with this is becoming basically a travel influencer. So you're traveling for a job. Um, what I would do is, once you can, use one of the certificates. There's hotels. Take take advantage of this opportunity and take one of the vacations as soon as you can, because you will take the vacation. You'll post pictures. You can post lives. Like talk as much about it as you possibly can, and show people, hey, I just went to Florida for $200 for airfare included, and everyone is going to be like, well, how did you do it? What are you doing? And you're going to start getting sales. So that would be the best way to start doing this, is just take a vacation, even if you want to just use one of the hotel room options. Check your cities, make sure that your city works with the hotels, and just go to a hotel for a night and post about that. So, and then once you start building up these commissions, once you're making sales, I mean, what I would like to do ultimately is use this as I also trade Forex, but as a full-time job. Take your vacation every month and just create like travel blogs, create an Instagram with your travel photos on it. Like there's so many things you can do. This is the best product I've ever seen. I've done many, many, many MLMs, companies, affiliates, and I have been doing this and only this since I started, besides Forex. So I love it. It's great. It's great money. It's great products. Everyone loves to travel. Um, Definitely highly recommended. So I'm going to have my link to sign up below. So you can go ahead and do that. Then you'll be able to go into your member area, get your website, all those things. I'll also have creative marketing incentives website set up, and also my Facebook, of course. You can message me if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you.